You are about to witness the most aggressive shift in AI history. We aren't just talking about updates, we are looking at a complete paradigm reset. In this video, you will discover how Google's Gemini 3.7 Flash is shattering financial research benchmarks, and how OpenAI's GPT-6 Astra is redefining what it means to be a generalist model. If you care about the future of technology, these two releases are everything you need to know right now. Let's talk about the engine that powers the new wave, and that is efficiency. Google has finally delivered on the promise they made with their mid-tier workhorse model, but this time it's a game changer. The Gemini 3.7 Flash isn't just faster. It is double-digit better at coding and reasoning tasks while costing significantly less to run. Imagine processing complex financial datasets or writing intricate software architectures in milliseconds rather than seconds. This speed allows developers to iterate 10 times faster, cutting down development cycles by half without sacrificing quality. On the OpenAI side, GPT-6 Astra brings a similar philosophy, but with a focus on raw versatility. While Gemini 3.7 is optimized for speed and cost reduction, Astra leans into being a true generalist powerhouse. It can switch contexts instantly, handling everything from creative writing to debugging legacy code in a single pass. The implications for businesses are staggering. Companies that rely on heavy computational resources for basic tasks will see their infrastructure costs plummet. This isn't just an upgrade. It's the democratization of high-end AI capabilities, making enterprise-grade intelligence accessible to startups and freelancers alike. Now that we've covered speed, let's dive into the brainpower behind these models. Context window size used to be a limiting factor, but Gemini 1.5 Pro already introduced massive improvements in this area. The latest iteration of this family, now branded as 3.7 Flash, takes this further by seamlessly integrating video support directly into the File API. You can upload hours of video footage and get precise insights extracted from it without manual transcription or clipping. GPT-6 Astra matches this capability, but adds a unique layer of semantic understanding. It doesn't just read. It understands the narrative arc of long-form documents. Whether you are analyzing multi-year quarterly reports or reviewing thousands of pages of legal contracts, these models can hold the entire context in their working memory and make connections between disparate sections that previous models would miss. This is crucial for industries like finance and law, where details buried 3 chapters deep often hold the key to a million-dollar decision. The ability to synthesize this information into actionable summaries marks a significant leap forward in data processing efficiency. You might be asking yourself why we're talking about coding and video when our topic is financial research, and that's exactly where the real magic happens. Internal evaluations at Google have shown that models like Gemini 3.6 Flash, the predecessor to this new 3.7 iteration, we're already outperforming frontier baselines in finding evidence within citation-heavy financial papers. This trend has only accelerated with the release of the latest versions. This means algorithms can now scan through thousands of academic journals and regulatory filings in real time, identifying trends that human analysts might overlook due to fatigue or cognitive bias. For institutional investors, this is a superpower. They can predict market movements by cross-referencing earnings calls with historical data points that were previously hidden in noise. GPT-6 Astra brings its own flavor to this domain, excelling at synthesizing unstructured news feeds into coherent investment strategies. The result? A future where financial decisions are driven by the sheer volume of processed information rather than human intuition alone, fundamentally changing how capital is allocated globally. So, what does this all mean for you right now? The practical takeaway is simple. Stop building your applications around the limitations of yesterday's models. If you are still paying premium rates for basic tasks or wrestling with context limits, it's time to pivot. These new releases offer a clear path to optimization. For developers, the integration of video and long context support means you can build tools that handle raw data ingestion directly, saving hours of preprocessing work. For businesses, the reduced cost per token translates to immediate ROI on your AI infrastructure. You don't need massive data centers anymore. The cloud providers are optimizing these models right down to the edge. The best part? These aren't just theoretical possibilities. They are already being tested in production environments and delivering double-digit gains in performance benchmarks. Embrace this shift now, or find yourself left behind as the industry moves at light speed toward a new era of intelligent automation. From the efficiency gains of Gemini 3.7 Flash to the versatile power of GPT-6 Astra, we are standing on the brink of a new technological age. The ability to process vast amounts of data in real time is no longer a luxury. It's the standard. If you found this breakdown as eye-opening as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech trends. Drop a comment below telling me which model you think will dominate the market next year. Thanks for watching, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.